ACAP26 here, just repairs and hobbies. I'm going to show you how to fix this freezing Bambu studio issue we're having right now. And this is the 15th of June 2026. So here's the icon down here. We're going to click to open. Okay. And here it is. Okay, you want to get to prepare, and it doesn't go to prepare. What you want to do is you want to go to the minimize it, and then maximize it, and it'll get to your, and you can get to your grid here. Okay, so it's a simple trick. Until they fix it, this is what you have to do. Okay, open it up, go to the minimize right away, minimize it, maximize it. This is on an iMac Intel machine, and you may be doing it on the Windows, I don't know. But I hope this helps you. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, hype the video. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.